So here's my bimini top, and it's great to have when you have a small child in a boat, and we use it quite often when we're out there on the lake, especially to keep us from the sun. And it's quite cool, and it's really comfortable to be in a lake for long periods of time. But like myself, I prefer not to use it, especially in the spring and in the fall, because it's kind of in a way, and you don't really need it that time of the year because it's not really that warm out. So now what do you do with it? Because right now it takes up a lot of space here in the boat, and to me it looks like a trip hazard just sitting there when it's not being used. So I found a quick and easy and cheap solution to store it inside your garage. Simply just find these hooks here from your hardware store, and these are 6.5-inch hooks. Find the studs right there. I got 4 of them, and I'll show you what I do to store my bimini top when I'm not using it. So there you have it. That's what it looked like when you have the bimini top stored on these hooks. The entire installation took less than 10 minutes, and it cost under $5 for the hooks from my local hardware store. So make sure you screw your hooks onto the studs, this way you know for sure that it's secured. Easy and simple DIY. Thanks for watching.